In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PowerPoint template in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or just looking to give your slides a more personal touch, mastering the skill of template customization is key. PowerPoint has a plethora of features that allow you to personalize your presentation's look and feel efficiently, and I'm here to walk you through the process, step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. If you're working on a Windows PC, you can typically find PowerPoint in the Start menu under the list of installed programs. For Mac users, you might find it in your Applications folder. Once you've launched PowerPoint, you're ready for the next phase. After opening PowerPoint, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. This is where you can choose to start with a new presentation or open an existing one. Since we're focusing on editing a template today, navigate to the file you wish to work on. You can do this by either selecting it from the recent list if you've worked on it recently, or by clicking on Open and browsing to the location on your computer where the file is saved. Next, we'll be heading into the Design tab. You can find this at the top of your PowerPoint window, nestled among other tabs like Home, Insert, and View. The Design tab is your gateway to numerous formatting options that can transform the visual impact of your presentation. Once you're in the Design tab, your attention should go to the Variants section. This might not be immediately noticeable, so take a moment to locate it. Variants are essentially different flavors of the theme you've selected, offering subtle changes in color, fonts, and background styles. It's like picking a different outfit for your presentation, still in the same style but with individual touches. Now for the fun part, editing your theme. Within Variants, you'll see a few options displayed directly, but the real treasure trove is hidden under the drop-down menu. Click on it to see all the variations available for the theme you've chosen. Here you can experiment with different looks until you find the one that matches the message and tone of your presentation. Feel free to play around with the colors, fonts, and background styles. Remember, the goal is to enhance your content, not overwhelm it, so try to strike a balance between visual appeal and legibility. But what if the available variants don't quite hit the mark? PowerPoint has you covered. At the bottom of the themes drop-down, you'll find options to further customize colors, fonts, and effects. Clicking on any of these will bring up a dialog box with a plethora of customization options. Want to match your company's brand colors? Head into the colors option and tweak away. Or maybe you need a specific font to make your slides pop. The fonts option is where you'll find your solution. And for those looking to add a bit more flair, the effects option allows you to modify how certain elements like shapes and text boxes are visually treated. Now you might wonder, what if I make a change and don't like it? No worries. PowerPoint makes it incredibly easy to undo any adjustments you've made. Simply use the Undo button, the little arrow pointing left at the top of your screen, to revert back to your previous settings. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can always redo the arrow pointing right to reapply the last change you undid. Editing a PowerPoint template doesn't have to be a cumbersome task. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating a presentation that not only conveys your message effectively, but does so with style and personal flair. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any of your precious customizations. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to editing your PowerPoint template in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time presenter, these tips and tricks are designed to help you tailor your presentation to your exact needs and preferences. So go ahead, give your slides the makeover they deserve, and watch as they transform your next presentation into an engaging and memorable experience for your audience. Happy customizing!